This Daignault Realty, Incorporated property video is presented by Michelle Daignault-Ives. New construction ready by early May or sooner. What a great floor plan! One-story 4-bedroom split layout with a 2/1 wing, 1/1 wing and a full master suite. Plus there's a separate study or 5th bedroom. In addition to this desirable great room layout, there's a large media/game room on the back of the house. The kitchen is wide open to the great room with an island concept breakfast bar plus a great arrangement for a large dining table in front of the double sliders leading you to the covered patio. Spacious master offers exterior access plus 2 walk-in closets, garden tub, separate shower and double sinks. Guest bedrooms also offer walk-in closets. In addition, there's a 3-car garage with a brick paver driveway. Great location of custom homes on spacious lots. Come see this one today. For more